notification.
Say hi.
And I have a notification. This is Lulu's beach house.
Say hi, Danay.
This is Lulu's beach house. And I have a notification. And say hello. I can see there's so much trees growing. And
What
so
else?
many pencils. And
What else?
and coconuts. And a biome.
Show them where you are.
I over Lulu's beach house.
No,
I
you're
can
not. You're here
see- Ow,
in.
ow, ow, ow.
What happened? Tell them. What are you doing here?
Nothing.
Ano ka diri?
Nothing. I'm playing with my friend.
Sino yung friend?
It's a secret. No, it's
Wala mo nakuha yung name, no? You don't forget to get his name.
Yes,
Kuya man to.
Kuya. Kuya. I
Ikaw si
know.
Manong, ikaw. Na, what else pa? Ibang istorya sa mga ano?
Sorry. Goodbye. I'll drop drinking. Like and subscribe. Drink beer.
Like and subscribe.
Drink beer.
No? That's not good. We're here at Sagondina. What? Beach Resort? Because
Asina Beach Resort.
Sagondina.
Whose birthday is it?
Nag-meeting, may meeting si nanay and si tatay. Hindi upod ka na lang eh. Kay we know you love beach. Di ba la? Ngaman love mo magligo sa beach, how? Ngaman love mo magpaligo sa
Cause I
beach.
wanna see shorts
What else?
and starfish.
Ngaman,
Cause them so pretty.
really? Hindi ka madlock? I-touch? Kasi adlock mo ka. Ako man sila nagkuha, ikaw nag-inom? Para kay na, kapoy ka, magkuha. Dayon subo mo ko, dayon ikaw man mainom.
Mom, I look over my face. I happy and I angry.
Be, happy face, be? Happy face, danay. How about angry? Uy, abo. Happy lang para gwapo.
No, I wanna be angry.
Istorya na yung mga vlog para may upload ka. Talk to your vlog.
Like me 1 million years, Elsa and the rest you.
Next time dapat while you are playing, you'll talk to your vlog, what you are doing, like that. You want that? Okay. Nga man gusto mo mag-vlog, how? Nga man gusto mo always ga video.
Cause I want more subscribers.
You want to have more subscribers? Come on.
Cause I want to be a creator.
You want to be a content creator?
Be a soldier creator.
Soldier creator. Okay. Okay.
Tell me a story now.
How about what?
Anjo have so much machine gun
Ikaw
and
tal kinanay,
fire.
be. Ikaw tal kinanay. Si Anjo, may machine gun. Then,
I cannot do
Kontra.
now.
King kontra niya ang giant. Dayon, naubos iya balaya.
That means get a suga and shoot it a giant's eye.
Dayon, wala man naigo ang eyes ng giant.
Him soon and him scared. There's a scared group and him see giant's eye and shoot it. Boom shot. I have big good spots.
Dayon, ano gali ya? May brother pa yung giant ya.
Huh?
Damo gali sila ya. Isa sila ya ka platoon. Damo kontra ni Anjo, hindi siya kasarang. Ay isa lang man siya.
Maybe have to find a rope, a big rope. Need to contact my friends. I'll contact my friends. And I call my friends.
Dayon.
And you will call my friends over a band. And you will and tell them there's a giant over mountains.
Hindi sila yan. Hindi sila yung ganahan niya. hadlukan sila ya. Hadlok sila ya sa giant.
And I will tell them, go and look in my bag's trunk and see so much machine guns and fire and then stand and then patay and use a suka and then shoot it then me and then stop now and load all machine guns bullets and use a suka another bullet.
Bazooka?
Mhm.
Where
And
did you get the bazooka?
it's used war 2, war 1, war. It's only for soldiers.
Okay.
For soldiers, there's so much enemies. Wow.
Documentation, Ma'am Zara Ramos. Research and extension, Sir James.
Mama, you threw that. You threw my
No,
bio.
wala na dagdag lang.
Dad. I want to pick it up.
Okay lang, that's okay lang. Ako lang matigay ang imo nga feet mabalasan.
Officer for
Okay, I'll rub it.
Bye-bye na.
Bye-bye, dear. Machine guns and then loaded.
Ano? Again.
Nothing!
Sit down. Careful, madagdag ka, madanlog, maslide ka.